today I'm going to show you how we add birds to our Pidexx program. We can add either one bird at a time or a sequence of birds at a time. Adding a sequence helps when you're entering a lot of birds for the same fancier who most of the birds band numbers are consecutive. So we're going to open Pidexx up. We're going to click on the registration tab up here on the top left. We're going to go to the fancier dialog box, select the club, then select the fancier, and this time we're going to use a test. We have birds already here that I've done. So to add a new bird, you're going to go down to the bottom left. It has a picture of the pigeon. It says insert new pigeon. So you'll click on it, and a dialog box is going to pop up. The items that you're looking at, very first one for us obviously is going to be AU or IF. The year that you want, and the club prefix. We're just going to use the prefix as test. Now over here, if you want to enter one bird at a time, you would just enter this bird. You're going to enter the sex and the color if you know the color, and hit the save button or the insert button. Now to add a sequence, you're going to do basically the same thing, except over here the number is the first number, so we're going to say it's 300. And then we're going to go ahead and click the sequence box. And over here, we're going to enter the last number in our range. We'll just say 399. Again, we'll go ahead and hit the save or insert button. And as you can see by the progress button, it is populating all of those birds here. Now these are all the pigeons that we've added for this fancier. We're calling this fancier test is his name. So another little trick over here is if you want to get rid of a bird, you can highlight it and you can hit the delete button. You can edit the button. You can assign a chip ring here, or you can unassign a chip ring. You can also right click on the bird and do all of the same things here. You can also right click and you can select all of the birds that are in that fancier's database, and then you can delete them. You can also save them as an Excel spreadsheet so that you can manipulate the data in other ways. Anyway, so you could hit delete. It's going to ask if we want to delete all of them. We hit yes. And boom, all of the birds are gone. So after you've added birds, I strongly suggest you go back and export a complete backup every time you get out of the program. And again, the way I use it, I save my backup just by Pidexx backup and then the date that I do the backup. But anyway, that's how you add birds to a fancier. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it helps.